Hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending where you are in the world today. Welcome to Women Who Code Dev Summit BlockDataPy. So in addition to hearing exciting and inspiring technical talks today, you're also going to have the opportunity to gain career insights and to network with each other, and we are so excited.
Start. My name is Eliza Sarobhasa, short for Elizabeth. My pronouns are she and her, and I am the leadership fellow for the Python track. I'm really excited to kick off the program this morning with my colleagues, Mansi and Bhavya.
Hey everyone, my name is Mansi, and as I said before, I am located in Australia. I am the leadership fellow of the data science track, and I thank you all for joining us today. I'm very excited for the next 4 hours of amazing events planned for you.
Hi everyone, I am Bhavya. I'm joining here from India and I am the leadership fellow for the blockchain track. I'm really excited for all the events that we have today. If you've had a look at our agenda, you can see that we have a jam-packed schedule and we'll be hearing from some of our amazing community leaders this morning, delivering talks, panels, and networking sessions. Great, let's get to know each other a little better. And which tech is it really that excites you the most right now? We would love to hear about it in the chat. What about you, Eliza? What excites you the most about the tech industry right now?
It's like they're really exciting. There's so many different uses for them. I know there's one like smaller drones. They're tracking like the butterfly migration, like in the sky. There's also ones that like try to go underwater, to cutting all of the sewage in the ocean. I think you guys seen some videos online where like their flying drones get good like video shots of like live volcanoes. So I guess it's like drones and robots. But yeah. To see on the chat, some people are sharing they're interested in Python, AI ML industry, blockchain. How about you, Mansi? Is there any interesting technologies that you're excited about?
I'm actually exploring, as part of my master research, the intersection between biology and technology. So, very keen on learning more about bioinformatics and how they have potential to treat genetic disorders, address various health and environmental issues using new and upcoming technologies in gene editing. That's something that's very interesting and fascinating, and something new for me to learn for the next upcoming years. What about you, Bhavya?
By your answer itself, like working in the emerging tech genomics is something that has been coming up to me a lot lately too. And that is something that I'm also exploring as well, like altering the genes and exploring how things have changed with COVID, especially. That is something that is pretty interesting about data and tech in general right now.
It's great. And I saw in the chat some people posting about security, quantum computing, ML ops, data analytics, AI, Ruby on Rails. So yeah, there's a lot of like interesting stuff happening in the world. I hope it continues like to get more and more interesting. So everyone, thanks for sharing with us. We are so happy to be part of the excitement today and share a wonderful program with you. So next slide, let's talk about what all of you can expect for today's agenda.
At the summit, you'll have a chance to engage with evolving technologies with highly technical talks and workshops.
And you can also hear directly from our community members and Women Who Code experts on what works for them in furthering your technical careers. So not only does Women Who Code resources help you stay up to date industry expectations, but we also support you, helping you find what's best for you as you hone your skills and develop as a technologist.
Right. We believe in promoting leadership of diverse women and technologists already in technology, and you'll have the chance to meet our community who supports this mission.
Also, we'll start each of our events reminding everyone of our code of conduct, which applies to everything that we do, and we take this very seriously. You can read the full version and access our incident report in reception.
If it wasn't for our amazing speakers today, applying to conferences is difficult and takes a lot of detailed work. Our speakers come from around the world with diverse personal and professional backgrounds. Our anonymous speaker review process means that each session was selected by its title and description, not by the speaker's job title, company, or years of experience.
A huge shout out to all of our amazing moderators and review committee. Thank you everyone so much for volunteering your time, energy, and expertise. So our review committee comes directly from our Women Who Code committee, reviewing all of the amazing talk proposals. Reviewers read every single one of your talk proposal submissions and helped craft the program that you will see today. We have so many fellows, leads, and volunteers helping today across many of our communities, and we wouldn't be able to do this if it wasn't for your help. All right then, so keynote time. It's time for our opening keynote of the day. To start us off, I'm happy to introduce Grecia Castaldi, Director of Community Women Who Code, and Shanna Gregory, our Chief Program Officer of Women Who Code, who will be sharing updates from Women Who Code HQ.
The team has recorded these keynotes. They can be here in the chat with you to answer all your questions and interact with you all. So please share your thoughts and comments in the chat throughout the keynotes. We want to hear from you all. Welcome, Gracie and Shanna.
Hello, everyone, and thank you so much for being here. Welcome to the Dev Summit. My name is Shanna Gregory. I am the Chief Program Officer at Women Who Code. If you're new to our community, I'm so happy you're here. I wanted to introduce you to our mission, which is to empower diverse women to excel in technology careers. Our vision is a tech industry where diverse women and historically excluded people thrive at every level. Today's event, BlockDataPy, is the perfect introduction to the emerging technologies track. Emerging tech represents the intersection of new technology that is yet to realize its full potential with older technologies that are realizing new applications. We're so excited to expand the blockchain community, which, to be honest, was considered pretty cutting edge when the track began in 2019. Today, we're expanding that community to encompass even more topics, not limited to the scope of blockchain. Topics like innovative advances in AI, machine learning, and applications like ChatGPT. We'll cover what is considered emerging technology today and what is to come in the future. And this shift is expanding the community to be more inclusive of innovation within tech. Next, I'll have Grecia share more about the history of the tracks and where we're heading with each of our Women Who Code communities.
Thank you, Shanna. Hi, everyone. I am Grecia Castaldi. I am the Director of Community at Women Who Code, and I will speak more of our communities and volunteers. Women Who Code technical tracks were created in 2019 with the purpose of gathering members around the same area of expertise. Besides emerging tech, we also have communities focused on cloud, data science, front-end, mobile, and Python. All of them are completely online, and they organize their own events, study groups, and summits like this one to share technical knowledge with our members. They also have active and engaging Slack groups where people from everywhere in the world join and interact with each other. You can learn more about them and join on womenwhocode.com/tracks. We also have local networks. There are more than 80 communities supported by volunteers that focus in one city around the world. They organize online and in-person events around technical topics and career navigation. Some of them also host study groups, mentorship sessions, and networking events. You can check out womenwhocode.com/communities for the complete list of local communities and join the one nearest you. Now I want to talk about our leaders and volunteers. We couldn't do any of the programs we offer without them. First, we have leadership fellows who are engineers dedicated to one of our technical tracks each. They lead a team of volunteers, organize events, and represent Women Who Code. Our current cohort includes Bhavya, Eliza, Luz, Mansi, Navati, and Rashmi. You will see many of them today at this summit. Also, they are soon completing their one-year cohort, and we will have a new cohort joining very soon. Thank you to the current fellows who have done so much for our online communities. Our volunteers are the heart of our communities. They are all amazing technologists located all around the world who keep our communities active by organizing different activities. And then we have our members. You as a member are also a vital part of these communities. We have 343,000 members in 147 countries, which means that you can be anywhere in the world to join us. It's our members who truly keep Women Who Code active and growing and who make us keep following this mission. So what does the experience of belonging to Women Who Code look like? Whether you are a member, a volunteer, or a leadership fellow, this is what it looks like. You can get speaking opportunities. We welcome anyone from first-time speakers who want to deliver a short talk in a local event to experienced speakers who want to present at a conference. All of us have something to share with the world, so we encourage all of our members to apply to speak, and we offer resources and mentorship to help them succeed. An empowering and supporting community. We are all different, we come from different backgrounds and have a unique perspective. In our communities, you can be yourself. Everyone will be there to support you if you are starting your journey in tech. You can keep learning with us. Our love for technology unites us. You don't have to be an expert to join one of our coding challenges, hackathons, or study groups. You will learn from amazing mentors to help you continue your journey. And also, you can meet new people and do networking. You can meet your new best friends who have the same interests as you, or you can find a new job by finding new contacts at our events. I'm sure you are wondering, how can I collaborate with Women Who Code? There are many ways. By coming to this event, you are already a member. You can also go to womenwhocode.com and sign up to receive our newsletter and be aware of all upcoming activities. Keep attending our different events, either in person or online. You can also check out our YouTube channel. You don't have to participate live to get the same experience. You can also watch our recorded events and learn from our amazing speakers. We also have Slack communities, so make sure to join them to get to meet our members. And you can sign up to become a volunteer. Only go to womenwhocode.com/volunteer and find all the different ways you can collaborate with us. Becoming a speaker is another way of collaborating with us. We have many resources on submitting event. And our next opportunity to present is Connect Asia. We are opening the CFP today, so consider applying to share your technical expertise with the world and become a speaker. Check out the website and all the details to become a speaker for this event. Thank you again for the time and for being here today. We are so happy to have you as a part of our community, and enjoy the summit.